White chia seeds. These nutrient-rich super seeds have rapidly emerged as a star ingredient in many of our Nutrilite supplements and Artistry skincare products. In Artistry Skin Nutrition, this powerful plant-based ingredient benefits the skin barrier and hydrates and soothes skin. But what makes our plant-based super ingredient so special? First, it starts with the quality of the seeds. Are all chia seeds the same? Absolutely not. There are many varieties of white chia seeds in the world. So, where did our specific variety come from?
We created our own variety, the Renborg white chia seed. It's high in omega-3s and protein, grown on our El Patacal farm in Mexico. Our white chia seed variety is patented because it's a higher yielding seed variety. And because of this, we could potentially get twice as much chia out of the same farmland. It's a way we can be environmentally conscious.
Every step in the process is carefully documented and traced. From growing to harvest, we ensure our seeds are 99.9% pure. Less than 0.1% debris remains after seed cleaning. This helps us ensure top quality, color, and stability from a beautiful botanical to a powerful ingredient. But how does one seed provide so many benefits?
White chia is a very diverse ingredient. From one little tiny seed, we can create 7 different ingredients that all have different benefits.
First being processed into 5 formats for Artistry skincare products, the leftover seed cake is milled and separated into 2 more formats, protein powder and fiber powder, to be used in Nutrilite supplements.
So when we can use more of the seed, we get more nutrition out of our chia, and it's really a way we can be environmentally conscious.
In Artistry Skin Nutrition, 5 different forms of white chia contribute to different skin benefits. Our white chia extract is full of antioxidants, which are kind of like microscopic superheroes that fight free radicals that over time can result in damage to our skin. Chia gel promotes a healthy skin microbiome. Chia oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids to lock in moisture to create hydrated skin.
We also use the chia oil in something called a liposome. And the liposome really helps the chia oil get into the deeper surface layer of the skin.
And our newest form is a white chia peptide.
The white chia peptide was specifically designed to help soothe the skin.
Artistry Skin Nutrition serums are the first products to contain this all-new format of nature's super seed.
By making a peptide complex for skin nutrition, we add additional benefits from this wonderful little tiny power super seed, the white chia seed. It shows we're not stopping when it comes to innovation.